Are you a white family that wants to go to Africa but is too scared of all the African Americans there? Well, if so, come on down to the Rainforest Cafe. It's practically taking a little dinner vacation to the jungles of the Sahara. It's a great place to pick up exotic women or bring the family. But hey, I'm not your boss, you can just do what you want. We got great cuisine / food like chicken fingers, steak, shrimp, rice, french fries, waffles, and spaghetti. You really get a taste of Africa. The ambience is really amazing here. We have many African safari animals.
Wait, you guys have African animals?
Yeah, only the best technology can build. Hit it, Frank.